Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 71st day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. Today I'm going to tell you what is the sequence I followed to reach at this level. So I took this challenge. I want to tell you what I sequence followed when I started my this journey from the very basic level to the upper level, so that I took that decision to start this challenge. Where I got that confidence to start this challenge, and from where when I got to know that now I'm ready to face all the problems. Okay, so see, like before starting this journey of spoken English, and like when I could not speak even a single sentence in English. Okay, I mean, what what did I what did I think at that time? I was like I couldn't do that thing. Okay, full of negativity, and I just thought that I could not do this thing. This is not my cup of tea. Like after some time, when thoughts are like when I started working, and I always saw people to speak English. Okay, so and the like when I got to know that it is a necessary, then thoughts came in my mind, and I was like that. Okay, now I think I should take action for learning this language, for working on my this spoken part. Okay, means I have now thoughts to do. First, what I did think that I could not do, but after like some time I started thinking that I should have do and I can do. Okay, means only thoughts. I could not do any action. I was just thinking that I can do. Okay, like when after thinking I can't, I could not able to take actions. I was just thinking. Okay, like when of course when I started even doing action, but these action was not so enough to to learn this language, to get that confidence so I can speak. Then like as I told you that I started doing like writing part, speaking part in front of mirror, and start using that application. At that time, when I mean when I reached that like I can do, and now I can take actions. Okay, so now I started taking actions. So on that point, when I started taking action for my this journey, this is the so like this is a very see, this is a very sequence of my journey. Like when I think that I can't do, then thoughts are coming in my mind that I should do, and I will try this thing. Then after some time, when it was like this is a necessary part and I should taking action, then I started taking action, watching videos, started writing diary, and started speaking in front of mirror, all the things. Okay, this is the journey. And after taking actions, like of course these actions was not so enough. Then I had still fear to speak in front of camera and uploading videos. As I told you that I really want to start this challenge very before, but I could not because I had a fear. Then one day I took challenge. One day I took challenge to take this challenge, and like one day I take decision to start this challenge. Then I took, and like after taking this challenge, when I completed my first day, means I took that my first step. Then then I started my this journey. So I just want to say that, see, you can see the sequence when I had negative thoughts, when I was not able to do these things. But after some time, when after thinking, after making mind, I started doing action. After taking first step, I'm able to speak. So this is a very uh, you know what, very fundamental, very basic sequence. Like of course we all of like the same whenever we think that we can't do. But of course this is as we got to know that this is necessary and we have to take actions. Then after lots of efforts we started taking action, and after taking action things will be going in a easy way. And this is literally, I mean, the result of that you're thinking. When you start thinking, that you take actions, of course. And I mean, this is the result of your mind mapping. Like, of course, before taking action, you did your mind map. You made a mind map, that okay, like you made your mind first, then you started taking action. Like, before mind mapping, how could you start? No. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, this is not as much hard as we think. If I mean, the most important thing is that if you can think, then you can do also. This is the very basic thing. Like, if you think that you can do, and it is, I mean, it is a different thing, I should have do, then start taking action. Okay, thank you so much. And thank you so much for supporting me. And if you really think that my efforts will help you, so please keep supporting me, stay tuned with me. Jai Hind.